Lupit ng ginawa ni Justin Brownlee, pinaupo ang kalaban sa kanyang ankle breaker move. Kai Sotto at Sam Deguara pisikalan sa ilalim. Uminit si JB at St. Dwight, napa-take over ang dalawa. Tamang trip naman ang crowd sa dulo sa isang player ng kalaban. Gilas Pilipinas laban sa Taiwan Mustangs para sa isang send-off friendly matchup bago lumipad papuntang Europa ang ating national team. Pakbakan ng mga big man sa simula ng first quarter. Ngayon lang yata nahirapan ng husto si Kai Sotto sa rebounding dahil sa tangkad na 7'6" ni Sam Deguara.
By 3 defenders, doesn't even jump, he still has that basket.
Natambakan ng Gilas ang Mustangs ng 10 points sa first 4 minutes ng game sa score na 12-2. Si Alex Cabagnot pa ang unang nakapagtala ng first field goal para sa Taiwan Mustangs. Mainit kaagad si Dwight Ramos sa 3-point line at napakalupit naman ng hesitation move na ginawa ni Justin Brownlee na nakapag-ankle break sa kalaban at napaupo sa sahig.
Closer to the basket.
And Brownlee drops his defender, made him touch earth.
Umabot ng 15 points ang biggest lead ng Gilas dito sa opening frame pero naibaba sa 6 points dahil sa dalawang Pinoy ng Mustangs na si Oscar Lopez at Alex Cabagnot. 25-19 ang talaan matapos mapawaw ni Carl Tamayo ang crowd sa kanyang buzzer-beater long 3-pointer. Second quarter solid ang pinakitang hustle ni Kai Sotto sa ilalim na nanggigil pa sa ring. Ganda din ng assist sa kanya ni KQ para sa isang end-one play.
Good deflection, lob pass. Soto finds a way to get...
For the Philippines in the first 10 minutes.
Soto gets blocked, recovers and slams it home.
Eagle
Lopez again.
in the biggest weapon for the Philippines or for Gilas Pilipinas.
Deguara.
Talking about Soto and Deguara.
First half.
Nice.
Oh, Aguilar evading the defense.
Tried to free up somebody close.
Most of their attempts.
They made 3.
Out of 4 attempts as Aguilar.
That's the game they're doing against the zone defense of the Mustangs. That's good.
The shot clock had to take the jumper. Does not get the bounce, but the rebound. Pass JB from the corner. Missing it, and Deguara.
Sinimulan ni Kai Sotto sa isang slam dunk pagpasok ng third quarter at uminit naman si Justin Brownlee at St. Dwight na parehong nag-take over.
But let's see how the Philippines will be able to defend those numbers. First possession, Philippines goes inside, courtesy of Kai.
To Sam Deguara, that's definitely something we've done a good job at. The Taiwan Mustangs. Brownlee taking a 3, hitting it in this game.
Patience.
For Kabayan JB, Ramos with a steal. Dwight Ramos takes it all the way.
Better on the ball defense. And then the Justin Brownlee magic.
Brownlee will take it again. Back to Marcus.
And Dwight Ramos has exploded for 8 straight points.
Mara secures another rebound. Had to kick out. Deflected by Fajardo. Another steal for Jumar. Here's Ramos. Evade.
Balik sa 14 points ang lead ng Gilas sa pagtatapos ng third quarter sa score na 58-44. Final frame, nag-mini-run ang Mustangs pero nagpakita naman ng total team effort ang ating national team. Kaya naman na-maintain nila ang momentum ng game.
6 of 23 made field goals. Like that 19
Wow.
assists
Borja. The spin. Ben Borja sent back.
against Gilas Pilipinas.
Good pass by Perez to Aguilar. No, Newsome with a board to Brownlee. Lopez to Miller. Blocked by Brownlee. This was a block earlier.
Philippines
Brownlee to Ramos. Money.
coming off a pass, caused a turnover by Ramos, a very accurate outside shooter.
And that's another 3 for Gilas Pilipinas.
The other Filipino teams competing.
They go to Brownlee down in the post. There's a switch. And that is...
Bago matapos ang game ay napagtripan pa ng mga Pinoy crowd ang isang player ng kalaban.
You know what's funny is that the entire Phil Sports Arena, and they're now chanting MVP. What a fun crowd we have inside this arena.
Maraming salamat sa panonood mga idol. Paki-like ang video at subscribe for more updates.